Hey friends, if the background intelligence transfer service is not working in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to manually start the background intelligence transfer service. Search for services in the Windows search bar and open services. Scroll, set it at standard, expand it. Scroll down to the background intelligence transfer service. Right click on it and select start. If it is started, then select restart. Next solution is to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. Scroll down and click on troubleshoot, select other troubleshooters and click on run corresponding to the Windows Update Troubleshooter. It will start detecting problems and fix them if possible. Then the last solution is a cloud reset, but I would suggest you to back up your data after this because you will lose all data after the cloud reset. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select recovery, click on reset PC, select remove everything, and then finally click on cloud download to initiate the cloud download process. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.